March might be a little chilly, but your gardening dreams can start heating up now. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If you're in Zone 7 like me, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to talk about seeds to start now in March. You can either direct sow your seeds right now into the garden or transplant these cold weather starts now in March. You can start your beets now in March. This root vegetable can be eaten raw, roasted, or boiled, and it's also high in fiber. Start your seeds or transplant your broccoli starts. Broccoli is nutrient rich and good for kidney health. Cabbage comes in many different varieties to choose from, also known to reduce inflammation in the body. In Zone 7, you can direct sow your radishes. They're used in soups, stir fries, and salads. Get your kale started. It's a super nutritious leafy green, supports heart health. Start those delicious collard greens. They're high in fiber. They help with digestion, bone health, and heart health. Start your turnips. They contain calcium and vitamin K, essential nutrients for maintaining strong bones. Go ahead and get your potatoes planted in the ground, one of my favorites. They support heart health and high in fiber. Plant your peas like I'm doing. They are full of vitamins and nutrients that support strengthening your immune system. Go ahead and get your onions started. They are good for oral health. They help to fight cancer, enhances brain health, lowers blood sugar levels, eye health, inflammation, just so many different health benefits. Start your Swiss chard. It's a good source of magnesium, potassium, and iron, packed with nutrients to lower blood pressure. Go ahead and get your spinach started once the soil is workable. Spinach offers numerous health benefits, nutrient rich in vitamins A, C, and K, contains iron, magnesium, potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure, as well as folate. It's high in fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. I like to experiment when I'm out in my garden. I'm choosing to use this bell cloche, which acts as a mini greenhouse, and its purpose is to cover your plants to give it frost protection during the early season. You never know when Mother Nature will throw a curveball with the weather. Also, the bell cloche helps to warm up the soil, which helps with germination. Every little bit counts. I have been wanting to grow asparagus for a long time now, so I'm going to go ahead and get that started today. Wonder why I even bother with labels. They wind up missing or the writing wears off. The same thing seems to happen every year. I'm making sure I plant the seeds closer to the inside of the cloche as opposed to the outside of the cloche, so this is helping me. Okay, and I will be separating these. Look to your right. Do you all see that rainbow? Rainbows are a promise of better times to come. Also, go ahead and direct sow your carrots. They are high in vitamins A, C, and K. After planting my carrot seeds, I place cardboard on top. It helps to keep the soil cool and moist, which is crucial for successful carrot seed germination. You can also start your lettuces and chives. Lettuce is an excellent source of beta carotene, which is needed for healthy skin, bones, and eyes. Chives support digestion, boost immunity, adds flavor and color to many dishes. And I will be thinning these out. I wanted to say thank you all so much. You heard me last week. Many of you reached out, you commented, and I love that. I love reading your comments. I love hearing your thoughts. So, yes, please keep it coming. I appreciate it. Temperatures are still a little cool at night, so I definitely want to give this soil a little warmth and protection. If you are in the Maryland, D.C., and Virginia area or Zone 7, you can go ahead and get these plants started now in March. I also added 2 more of these green trellises to support my climbing plants. ELOC Nation, I hope this video helps, especially for those who struggle with what to plant next. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.